Hello, I think the recording has been started. Okay. Uh, in this video tutorial, we are going to analyze difference between the NVI values computed from the Landsat image and Sentinel image. This is Sentinel image. We can load these files from layer, add layer, add raster layer, and browse for the raster layer. Uh, okay, in this is NV spectral indices .dat. We have to select the specific file. Okay, it has added. Oh, this belongs to where's the file? Wait, it is taking time. I think this is not responding. Okay, let's. Oh, it came. Okay, right. Okay, where's the image? Jump to here. Oh, this is the image. And let's go to properties, and there are many options here. We go for single band pseudo color and we choose any one desired indices. Let's go for build up index, or okay, let's go for vegetation index. Let's classify. The values are higher, so okay, wait. In this way we got this this is thing for we can see the variance of NDVI values. This red one, lower values, this is Seth River, I think, and lower values are given red. This is Feotal, this is Begnastal, and this is newly building airport. This is river, and the green, more green area are for high vegetation value and DVI value. Now we go for Kathmandu Valley. In this way, we can customize and change the color ramp. Here are more color ramps. We can change the value and customize the symbology. I have chosen same for this Landsat and Sentinel, same symbology category, and we can see here green space here, which are not in here. Uh, there's quite different. This might be due to the spatial resolution of image. There is difference in spatial resolution of both image or other values, but there is difference. We have to just indicate the difference. There is no green and there is green. This difference can be mapped. Okay, let's map the difference. This difference we can map the airport this much, and for mapping purpose we have to go for layout, new print layout. In first case we have to go for new print layout and give the specific name, but in my case I'm going to use the initial layout. Okay, now for this map, okay, we can I initial I will delete this. These items are added from here. Let's add one. This is one, and let's add another two. This is for Sentinel. Okay, and one thing we need to do is log this layer from here. When we click here, here is item properties and log here, and let's go to this one and turn off. Look, this comes, and let's go for this. Now if we click refresh, there is change. Like this one is changed because we have not checked here. Now we can check. This will not change the values. We can see the airport area, and this one is Pashupati area, and this one is uh, I think Kapon side, or anyway, there is slightly different between the two maps. And for scale bar, we can add various items from here. This is scale bar. This is arrow line. I added these arrows from here. I can delete it or not. Yes, I can. Press. Okay. Sorry for intervention. Certainly the queue just crashed, and we were in the layout menu. We are trying to make layout of Kathmandu city, and we came here with different image. I think this is Landsat image, and this is Landsat, and this is Sentinel. Okay. Uh, okay. We are going to symbolize it again. Single band pseudo color, and this value will work for us. I think. Is this NDVA or what? NDWI. It is water index. Sorry. And what is this? This is NDVI. One sec. Then I have to open NDVI value for Sentinel. Let's go for it. Okay. Let's open the raster. From here, I need to open Sentinel. Sentinel result, and I think inside this is Sentinel Kathmandu NDB. Will this work or not? And it is just okay. Let's check. Spectral indices. Oh, sorry, not here. Assignment. There are many. Sentinel. Sentinel. This one. Okay, this one is going to work for me. Close. And from here, I'll change the symbology. Okay, we should wait for it. It is perhaps plotting. Okay, let's go to central here. It will come, I think. Not. Something happened. Okay, classify, and okay, I think this is not coming. Okay, there's something wrong with my file. This one. Okay, let's go properties, single band pseudo color, EVA and DVI. Classify. This is giving an EN. Okay. Now there are two values. Okay, we can change the values from here. I think can we change? Previously we changed the values 0.3. Let's keep for 0.5. and this for uh, 0 0.1, and this up to 0. The classification, the provision of the number is just I am doing for random, uh, and I have not chosen a specific value. Let's give this -1, this minus 0 0.5. Okay, let's see what happens. Look, this has become something different. Then okay, let's change equal interval. Okay, 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 okay. This is quite different. So let's give this minus this value to as similar to 0 0.5. This one 0.211, 0.397. I'm giving similar values as the Landsat image have. Okay, it's quite different. Okay, now we have looked at change. The change is quite similar or different. Uh, quite the UN part, there is quite higher value in Sentinel image than Lancet image. Here also, the smaller portion are also mapped in uh, NDVI of Sentinel image, while there's little change between these two maps. Now we were here indices and something change. Okay, let's manage it, and this one also. Let's keep it here. Okay, let's enlarge it. Okay, initially this is Landsat. Okay, this is Landsat. From this window we can zoom in or zoom out. This is this much 154.123. Let's keep this much and log the layer. And for Sentinel, uh, we go for here and let's give same value. We should select this button and this 150000. There's quite difference between two images. Yeah, let's try to make the identical location of maps, and then we can lock it again. We can add headings like labels here. We generally keep the heading above. Let's drag it little down. I'm using the down keyboard button. Let's see and keep it here. This is Kathmandu Valley. Okay, and for size, font size, I can increase here 20. Okay, okay, and north arrow can be added like this. If we press shift, it will not go anywhere, and right click. Okay, then we can add legends from here. Legends, and for legend we can increase the column, 2 columns, and this much. We can add other information. There is grids over here, and for this also we can add the grid values from here. Add grid and modify. What is the gap? 5123. Sorry. Okay, look, we can see the 5123. We can customize many things from here. Map grid properties. Let's go. Mm, Position overviews, position and sizes. We can change rotation frames, backgrounds. We can change. Okay, we can customize these maps using item properties and layout properties. Okay, in this way we can map the sense difference between both images in QGIS. This is just making the layout of two images, and I think this much should be done for exercise 2. Okay,